Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. Doing a bit of an update here for you guys. My basement flooded like a couple months ago, finally getting around to doing the renovations for the flooring. We just had like a temporary solution in there, so that's probably why I'm doing this this Friday update on Saturday. But yeah, let's dive right into it. So as you guys can probably tell, the Bitcoin ETFs have been released, the spot Bitcoin ETFs, and it's been quite a disaster since the beginning of them. Like they released, they pumped up, and then the Bitcoin price dropped. Now does this mean that Bitcoin is done and we're going to zero? I mean, no, that's not what it means. But it definitely means that there were more sellers than buyers, and it was just a sell the news event, and that's what we were talking about for a very long period of time. People were making a case that this changes things. This is never seen before, you know, funds are now going to buy so much Bitcoin. No, that's not the case. Big money buys before retail gets in, right? And when retail gets in, that's when they sell. And they rug retail, right? Just looking at the chart, right? You can see big money was accumulating at the lows, like on the 2-day, right? And then boom, now they're selling at the highs. Now we're looking at the weekly, right? The weekly, we had that big significant buying, and now we're getting some selling at the highs here, and we're getting an overbought condition on our wave edge X2 as well, and this was before the halving. All right, so we had this is still before the halving. Back here, we had the halving around May, I believe. Let me just get my halving chart out here. I have all the data, the information already placed into my chart. Whoa, that's not it. There we go. So if we look back here, these red lines, that's the halving. So the halving came right around May of 2020, and May of 2020 is right around here. So just because, you know, we're before the halving doesn't mean that the price can't dump. We got this dump before the halving, right? And then once we did have the halving, we don't pump up immediately. We have like a period of 2 to 3 months where we do nothing, right? So the halving comes, price either does nothing or dumps, and then we have a period of like 3 to 2 months, 91 days before you get a significant rally up, right? Same thing here, period of doing basically nothing, 60, 70 days before getting a rally up. So we kind of do nothing before the pump starts. So there's still a lot of time on the clock. So Bitcoin should probably drop now. I mean, we've probably broken some pretty significant. We haven't really broken that much of significant support. If we start to take out these pivots right around 40,000 and we start to head lower to the 39s, yeah, that could really open the door for a significant amount of selling. But until then, this bullish count could still be in play here, although we probably have to readjust it a little bit. So probably this is the 2, and if you are going to come up, then you need a 3 and a 4. All right, you need a 3 and a 4, or unless this is, you know, you're gonna extend the wave 4. But I wouldn't like that as much, because that means the wave 3 needs to come up to here, and I can already make 5 waves up. So to me, this looks like you're in the 5th wave. If it's going to pump back up and finish and break the divergence, then it should be either, you know, next week or in the coming weeks at the very least. And then you can continue the 5th wave and finish it around 52, or, you know, you can also make the case that the 5th wave is already done. You could maybe like make a mini 5-wave moves up, and if the 5th wave is done, then you guys need to take into consideration the bearish scenario, which is this one right here, where the 5th wave finishes and we're not able to get above this resistance area, and we're going to come back down in an ABC fashion, which is going to be pretty dramatic with all that selling. And yeah, I mean, that should take us back down to, this is very extreme. I'm not saying we're gonna do this. Probably like an ABC, something like that. All right, a bit of an ABC pattern correction back down to like the 30,000s, and then you can continue higher after for the, you know, the halving and stuff. But yeah, that's basically it. Looking at the monthly, I mean, things are starting to run out of steam just a little bit here. When you could get on the smaller time frames like the weekly, you still have increasing green money flow, but it doesn't mean that the price can't go down. Daily is getting a bearish divergence, and you have decreasing green money flow. So take that into consideration when you're making your trades. Okay. A daily time frame, again, getting a lot of selling, but the weekly is really significant to me. And if we confirm this on the weekly, then that's going to tell me that we are potentially putting either a significant top, or we're pretty close to putting a significant top. Okay. Anyways, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.